Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Today I'm going to explore or guide you understanding ebooks types and the possibilities. And today we will see how to generate QR code, and we will see how to develop EPUB format ebooks. So before start, let me share my presentation. Is this visible?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Understanding ebooks types and possibilities. Uh, as introduced, my name is Ramiz Alam. I'm a senior technical consultant in CIT and NCERT, and I will be guiding you through this presentation on understanding ebooks types and its possibilities. And in this session, we will explore various types of ebooks and opportunity they present learning and engagement. We will see what are ebooks and the types of ebooks, and today we will see uh, what kind of ebooks NCERT uses, and we will see digitizations of textbooks, and in the end we will learn how to develop EPUB, EPUB format ebooks, and we will see how to generate QR code in bulk. So let's start with the ebooks. What are ebooks? Ebooks are digital version of printed books that can be read on various electronic devices like computers, tablets, e-readers, and smartphones. They replicate the traditional reading experience with offering advantages such as portability, convenience, and accessibility. Available in formats like a PDF, EPUB, MOBI ebooks can contain text, images, and interactive elements. The popularity stems from easy access, the ability to carry entire libraries, and customizable reading preferences, revolutionizing the way people access literature and educational content. What's the benefits of an ebook? Uh, Benefits of ebooks are portable. Access ebooks on any devices, carrying an entire library anywhere. Uh, it is useful because of its accessibilities. It offers a wide range of books, adjustable fonts, and support for diverse readers. It is cheaper. It is cost effective, cheaper than printed pages or printed books with no printing or distribution costs. It is searchable. It includes the searchable tools. It includes hyperlinks and multimedia. Uh, Ebooks are eco-friendly. It saves papers and reduce environment impact. It is useful because of its convenience. It can be instant purchase and download, no shipping needed. Space saving, no physical storage required, reducing clutter. Or it is customizable. It can adjust font, can highlight your text and personalize the setting. Now, now we are going to see how many types of ebooks. Uh, there are many types of ebooks, and these are the most popular types of ebooks like a PDF or EPUBs, MOBI books, interactive ebooks, enhanced ebooks, and fixed layout ebooks. What is a PDF ebooks? PDFs are portable document format. Ebooks closely resemble the layout of a printed book and are commonly used for documents, manuals, and materials that require a fixed layout. Electronic publication. Electronic publication, that is EPUB, is one of the most common ebook format. EPUB are highly flexible and can adjustable their layout to fit different screen sizes. Mobi ebook. Mobi ebook are primarily used by Amazon Kindle device and support features similar to EPUBs. Interactive ebooks. Interactive ebooks are those ebooks offer a more engaging reading experience by incorporating multimedia elements such as audio, video, and interactive graphics. Enhanced ebooks. They combine traditional text with multimedia elements, creating a more immersive reading experience. Fixed layout ebook. Fixed layout ebooks in preserving the exact layout. They are commonly used for graphic intensive publications. These are same like a PDF. Now, NCERT uses of ebooks. So NCERT uses three type of ebooks like on different platform like PDF, Flipbooks, EPUBs. PDF are available on NCERT official websites, or all NCERT resources are available in a PDF format in NCERT websites. All all Flipbook resources are available on ePathshala websites, and EPUBs. EPUBs are available on ePathshala mobile app. NCERT use ebooks as a part of its educational resources. These ebooks are available through various platforms, including the Diksha portal, ePathshala portal, and the ePathshala mobile app. The ebooks cover a wide range of subjects and are available in multiple languages, which make it easier for students and teachers to access textbooks and other learning material digitally. Digitization of textbooks. Digitization of textbooks refer to the process of converting traditional printed textbooks into digital format that can be accessed and read on electronic device. It involves transforming the content, layout, and features of the printed textbook into a digital version that can be viewed and interacted with electronically. PDFs and why PDFs are useful. PDFs are a portable document format, is a file format developed by Adobe that preserve the layout, that preserve fonts, images, and formatting of document. Advantages of a PDF format. PDFs are important because of its security. PDF can be password protected and encrypted. Or PDFs are important because of its compact size. PDFs compress files without losing quality. It is universal compatibility. PDF can be opened on almost all kind of devices, all kind of digital devices. It is easy to print. PDFs are designed for accurate printing. It is consistent. PDF maintain the same appearance across all devices, multimedia supported. It can include various multimedia elements like uh, hyperlinks or audios and video link. Flipbooks. What is Flipbook and why Flipbooks are useful? Flipbook is a digital version of a traditional book where the page can be flipped or turned as if you are reading a physical book. It often simulates the experience of paging through a real book with animated page turning effects. Flipbooks are commonly used to present documents, brochures, catalogs, magazines, and ebooks in an engaging, interactive format online. Flipbooks are useful because of its readability, it is because of its interactivity, it is its accessibility, professionalism, eco-friendly. It is easy to use. Flipbook give us familiar feel, making it easy for people to read, just like flipping through a physical book. It is useful because of its interactivity. You can add videos, links, and animation, making the reading experience more engaging. It is accessible from anywhere. It works on computers, tablets, and phones, so you can read them anywhere. It looks professional. They present content in a clean and polished way, perfect for sharing documents or presentations. Of course, it is environment friendly. Since they are digital, they save papers and reduce waste. NCERT use flipbooks, and all NCERT resources are available in ePathshala websites in a flipbook format. Now, what is EPUB? EPUB is an electronic publication. It is widely used, often standard format for digital books and publications. It allows ebooks to be read on various devices, including e-readers, tablets, smartphones, computers, and etc. The format is designed to be flexible and reflowable. That means the text can adjust to fit different screen size and orientation, providing an optimal reading experience. I will show you an example in a practical time. Then you can easily understand how it is important on how it is flexible and deployable. And the EPUB is essential for several reasons because it is a device compatibility. Its text is adjustable. It have interactive features. It is accessible from anywhere. Publisher efficiencies. It work on many devices. Uh, EPUB files can be read on different devices like readers, tablets, phones, and computers. This makes it easy for people to access the same book on whatever devices they prefer. Unlike a PDF where the layout stays the same, EPUB lets the text adjustable to fit screen. Whatever your screen device is, large or small, or you have a phone or tablets, whatever you have reading on a big tablets or a small phone, the text will resize to make reading easier. It have interactive features. It can include things like videos, audio, and links, making it more than the just plain text. Uh, this is especially useful for educational books or interactive stories. It is accessible for everyone. EPUB supports features that help people with disabilities, like screen readers and text that can be read aloud, making ebooks available to a wider audience. It is easy to publish. Publishers can create one EPUB file that work on all kind of devices, so they don't have to make different version for each platform. You can access NCERT's all educational resources in EPUB format in NCERT ePathshala mobile app, where uh, all class 1 to 12 textbooks and other learning resources are available in EPUB format. So you can download the ePathshala mobile app and access the EPUB format books. Key differences between EPUB and PDF. Layout. If you're talking about layout, then EPUB is a reflowable layout adjust to screen size, while on the other hand, PDF is a fixed layout. Device compatibility. Works on e-readers, tablets, mobile devices. PDF can be viewed on most devices, but has limitations. Or if we are talking about interactivity, EPUB supports multimedia and links, while PDF supports limited interactivity. File size, generally smaller due to reflowable content. It supports as stable text, so it is smaller in size, while PDF often large due to fixed layout. Accessibility, better accessibility options, because it have reading aloud, it have reflowable, it has multimedia. So it is more accessible than PDF. Editing and printing. It is EPUB is more difficult to print, while PDF is designed for printing, ideally for printing in consistent format. Now you can see NCERT ebooks available on the following places. Like if you want NCERT resources in PDF format, you can access NCERT official website where all PDF format ebooks are available from class 1 to 12. On Diksha portal and Diksha mobile phone, mobile app, you can access ebooks, e-resources, and energized textbooks. On the ePathshala portal and mobile app, you can access EPUB format ebooks on mobile ePathshala mobile app and flipbook format ebooks on ePathshala portal. Now we are going to see how to develop EPUB. Develop an EPUB involves several steps depending on your content and the tools you choose to use. To understand the to understand the EPUB, you have basic knowledge basic knowledge of HTML or CSS and JavaScript. If you have basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then you can easily understand how to develop EPUB. These are the few steps so by which you can develop the EPUB. I will let you see you. You need to a creation tool to develop EPUB, which is Sigil. Sigil is a free open source EPUB editor that allow you to create and edit EPUB files. Sigil is a free open source EPUB editor. Step to US, you have to first install a Sigil and create new files. Let me show you. This is the Sigil editor, and this is the interface of a Sigil software. Sigil software. There's a code behind the user interface. And this is the chapter. Unuri? Let me show you. Now it's visible.
Yes, sir. The
Okay.
book slide you want to show, or it's showing develop EPUB page, slide page?
I'm showing develop EPUB page.
Yeah, it's visible.
Let me again share my screen. I'm going to stop and let again share. Hope it's visible now. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay, thank you. So this is a sigil editor in which we can develop EPUB format ebooks. This is the interface of sigil software. On the left-hand side, these are the resource files like HTML file, CSS, and JavaScript, images, audio, video, and miscellaneous files. And on the top, you can see the options to develop EPUB. It is based on HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So if you have basic knowledge of HTML and CSS, you can develop E- EPUB ebooks. Can you? Now let's see what is energized textbooks. Energized textbooks is a digital textbooks enhanced with interactive elements, multimedia content, and additional resources to make learning engaging. NCERT energized textbooks. These are digital version of the textbooks provided by the NCERT. They include QR codes that link to additional digital content like video, animation, and practice exercise available on platforms like the Diksha portal and the ePathshala portal. QR code, quick response code. QR code is a type of barcode that can be scanned using a smartphone or other devices with a camera. It contains information like text, URLs, or other data, which the devices can quickly read and interpret. A QR code is a two-dimensional barcode that is readable by smartphones. The advantage of a QR code. QR code is safe and contactless. QR codes are useful for contactless interactions. This is helpful for menus or payment. It is quick access. It instantly accesses information by scanning the code. No typing is required. It is easily trackable. Business can track the number of QR code scans. This provides insights into engagement. It is simple to use. Anyone with a smartphone can scan QR codes. This makes sharing information effective. It is space saving. Instead of printing long URL, use a small square QR code. It stores all the information. Highly versatile. QR code can be used for many purposes. Example include linking website or downloading the apps. Now we are going to see how to generate QR code. And these are the few steps to generate QR code. There is a many options to generate QR code or many websites to generate QR code. But if you want to generate the QR in a bulk, like 10, 20, 15,000, 100, so you need an open source library to generate QR code in a bulk. So I'm going to show you an example or demonstration how to generate QR code. These are the few steps, like start by opening a new or existing Google Sheet, enter data, create column, like this. To generate QR code, you have to prepare your metadata sheet. And the most important is your domain URL. Domain URL is like this. Yes, domain URL. Domain URL is like a location where your data is stored or keep. It could be a YouTube, it could be a database or any website or cloud. It could be anything where your data is stored or keep. So let me show you how to generate QR code. Yeah, this is my Google Drive sheet, and I pre-filled all the metadata which I require to generate the QR code. The metadata is totally up to you. What kind of QR code you want to generate? In my case, I'm going to generate a class one English Breathing Books chapter-wise QR code. So this is the metadata of class one English book. This is a chapter number up to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and these are the chapter titles. And this is domain URL. As I said, domain URL is the location where I store all my books or chapters in the database. This is code. Code is that which we generate a unique separate code for all books or all chapters. Complete URL. Now we have to concate or we have to merge these two, domain URL and code, with each other. To merge these two column, code or domain URL, I have to write a Excel formula which is like equal to concate, CONCAT. Concate means to merge or join two things or two column. I'm right C2 and D2 because the domain URL column name is C and its number is 2, and the code column name is D and it's on second place. So it is C2 and D2. You can see it is auto generated and it is merged, concate my both columns, domain URL and code, with each other. You can see here. Now I'm just going to drag. Now I'm just going to drag for further chapters. It auto generated all the complete URLs for up to chapter 9. Now, how to generate QR code? As I said, there is many options to generate the QR code and many websites to generate individual QR code. But if you want to generate QR code in bulk, you need API. This I will show you from. You can get this API from where. Let me copy this API. Copy and just paste this URL in QR code column, which is F, and click. It is generated a QR code. Let me increase its size. With the help of API, I can easily generate QR code in bulk. Now I can just drag and drop, and it will generate all QR code in a second. Let I'm going to increase all column size to show you. Yeah, this. On my single click, it generates all QR code in bulk. You can download from here. Now, now the question is where you get this API. There is a website called QRICKIT, QR Kit. You can just type a QRICKIT Kit API in the Google and open. Let me show you. Just type QRCKIT API. Just enter and open first link. It will land you a website like QRICKIT website. It is open source website and you can use its library or its API in free. This is the API which I used there. Here. So that's how you can download. So that's how you can generate all the QR code and you can download like this. Just select all the QR code shells and go to file, and there is a download option and in which format you want to download. I'm going to download in a PDF format. So let's click on PDF and here export is a selected cell. That's how you can download all the generated QR code in a single or easy way. So these are the types. These are the demonstration of how to generate QR code. Hope you all understand. If you have any query or any doubt, please ask frequently.
Yes, sir. We will take a question from our participants now. Thank you for this wonderful session. There is one query from Shalini ma'am. Shalini ma'am, please ask your question. We have unmuted you.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, I wanted to ask if the wherever you keep the chapters, can it also be drive or it has to be a site only? It can
No,
be any location on my
no.
laptop also? No, it has to be an online space.
It is better to have an online space, but it also can also from your laptop or computer, because to generate QR code, it's just need only location or a particular URL.
So I
So you
can I can put the data or the files in a drive also and then create a QR. It's like a direct link to my drive.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. You can direct put on your drive or anywhere where you could be upload your data in the YouTube drive, any cloud or database,
Okay.
wherever.
It has to be a digital space. Dusra sir,
Yes.
the last step when you actually after the concatenation, when you actually created the code, the QR code, can you please show that step once again? The last step, the very last step.
Okay, let me show you.
हाँ जी. Thank you.
I'm going to delete this. To generate QR code, I need a API, which I show you on the QRIC Kit website. This is this API. Just copy this API and paste in the QR code column. Paste. This API will generate QR code like this, and then you can drag and drop. It will generate all the QR code. It is clear, ma'am?
She is replying. She understood. Shalini ma'am has understood what was her
Okay.
question. So next question, I think there is one in the chat box which I can we can take. There is one question from Miss Nidhi ma'am. She's saying if I have a Google sheet, she has a Google sheet and she wants to create QR code. How can she do that?
If you have a Google Sheet, you have to maintain your metadata like this. You have to maintain your metadata like this, and you have to put your location of a data like a chapter in the complete URL column, and then apply with the API, and this API will generate the QR code. This is how the complete URL column is name is E. That's why I put E here, and it will generate the QR code. Hope it's clear, Nidhi ma'am.
There is one more. Okay, we can take a question from Pawanjeet sir. Sir, please
Okay.
ask your question.
Sir, kindly copy that link in the chat box so that we can use that API.
API. Oh, okay, sir. Also, the PPT will share you on the CIT website.
We will take just last two questions. Mr. Ravi, you can ask your question. Sir, please ask your question.
Sir, can you repeat once quickly, sir?
Repeat what, sir? The QR code?
Mr. Ravi, sir, which step do you want our resource person to repeat? So we can take another question. Anyone? I think there is last question we can take from Pankaj sir. Pankaj sir, please ask your question.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, can we make the ebook or the flip book or the EPUB book without the knowledge of Java?
Sir, so you can develop flipbook without the knowledge of Java or HTML, CSS with the help of software like a Flowpaper and other softwares, but you cannot develop EPUB format ebooks without the knowledge of HTML, JavaScript, or CSS. You should have a basic knowledge of HTML and CSS and JavaScript.
Flipbook we can make.
You can make a flipbook with the specific softwares like Flowpaper and others flipbook software.
Can you provide the link or the name so that I could do?
I wrote in a chat. Sir.
Chat. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
Any other query? Or you can write in the chat box. We'll forward to the resource person. So thank you so much, sir, for